Do you hate the sound of dominoes or tiles hitting a countertop or a tabletop? Yeah, me too. Well, let me show you something cool that'll help prevent that. This is a Mahjong game mat. This is the blue one. It comes in several different color schemes, and it is an anti-slip mat that helps reduce noise and provides a tabletop cover for Mahjong or board games or cards or anything like that. So this mat features a rubberized texture backing, which gives it that anti-slip ability, and it gives it a nice sound cushion for whenever dominoes or tiles or anything hits it. The top of the mat for this color scheme provides dark text and dark design on a light blue background with various Mahjong rules and instructions featuring dark blues, dark greens, a lighter teal, some pink, and then text in dark blue and dark green fonts. This mat measures out to 31.5 inches length and width, and it comes with a little carrying bag. So if you're in the market for an anti-slip, noise-reducing game mat, maybe this is for you.